Good day, viewers. You are welcome. This equation has just one solution, but before I solve this, you can just pause this video and give it a try. We have f of x minus f of 1 minus x equals x. And what is f of x? There's just one particular solution that satisfies this. Let's get into it. If I consider the solution, looking at this side, the x here is a linear. If I assume that let f of x equals ax plus b, assuming this is a linear function, then we are going to have to replace x with 1 minus x. This equals a bracket 1 minus x plus b. Then equating this to each other, we have this as ax plus b, then minus open bracket a bracket 1 minus x, then plus b equals x. So here we have ax plus b minus a, then plus ax minus b equals x. And with this, b cancelled b. So adding ax plus ax, we have 2ax. Then here is minus a equals x. And by comparing the coefficients, this shows that the value of a here must be equals 1 divided by 2. And if a equals 1 over 2, this totally contradicts. Because trying to substitute the value of a here, we are going to have a 0 equals 1 divided by 2, and which this can never equal. This contradicts, right? So, based on this assumption, 0 can never be equals this, and this function is not linear. So let's check for a substitution ways. Assuming I replace every single x with, let's say I replace it with 1 minus x, or we are going to have x equals 1 minus x. So by replacing x with 1 minus x, in the first equation, we are going to have f of 1 minus x minus f of 1 minus open bracket 1 minus x. So this equals 1 minus x. And f of 1 minus x minus f of 1 minus, open this bracket, we have 1 plus x equals 1 minus x. And then we have f of 1 minus x minus f of x equals 1 minus x. So trying to check the substitution ways if this is going to be equal. So we have two sets of equation from the first equation, and here is the second equation. Let's try and bring the two equations together and solve. So we have two equations. Adding this together, we have f of x cancelled f of x, and also f of 1 minus x cancelled f of 1 minus x. We only have 0 at this right hand side, equals x plus 1 minus x. So 0 equals plus x minus x cancelled, and this equals 1. But can is 0 equals to 1? No. So we still have another contradictions. So this also contradicts, which means substitution does not work. And let's do it this way. If f is from R to R, that is every number. So let's test for some real values. Assuming I set x to be equals 1, we're going to have f of 1 minus f of 1 minus 1 equals 1. And here we have f of 1 minus f of 0, this equals 1. And let's test for if x equals 0. So setting x equals 0, we are going to have f of 0 minus f of 1, this equals 0. And bringing these two equations together, we have f of 1 cancelled f of 1, f of 0 cancelled f of 0. So we have 0 which also equals 1. This can never be equal as well. So this makes sense. But what if we try to check some fractions? If it works. If I set x to be equals 1 over 2 in the first equation. So looking at this, we are going to have our f of 1 over 2 minus f of 1 over 2. This equals 1 over 2. So f of 1 over 2 cancelled f of 1 over 2. And here we have 0 is also not equals 1 over 2. So this seems not to work. And I have just one solution to this problem. What if we test for if it is a quadratic and check if it works? So trying to look for every other functions, the possible functions that will let this equation equal before we conclude the final answer. What if f is quadratic? If we have f of x to be equals, let's say ax squared plus bx plus c, for instance. So here, checking for f of 1 minus x, this equals a into bracket of 1 minus x squared plus b into bracket of 1 minus x plus c. And to solve this further, before solving it, so if we try and expand this, subtract everything together, we still going to have an impossible equation. So which means that the only one solution to this is no solution. So there is no solution to this problem, as every number we are testing, every function we are testing are always contradicted. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Even no solution is answer to this problem. Our f of x is no solution. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.